Hi, my name is Christopher Slijk, and these are the top 3 things that you need to know about the Texas economy in 60 seconds. The Texas economy is growing at a steady pace despite increased pessimism in business outlooks. Texas job growth has continued to outpace the nation, and the regional labor market remains tight. August employment growth slowed, following a very strong pace in June and July. The state unemployment rate held at a record low. The Dallas Fed's Texas Business Outlook survey showed robust growth in manufacturing and moderate growth in services in August. However, business executives expressed uncertainty surrounding trade policy and slowing global growth. Export activity remains high, but growth has slowed sharply compared to last year. This is in part due to a dramatic decline in exports in China, which are down over 45% year-to-date compared to 2018. Thanks for watching Texas Economy 360. For more information, visit dallasfed.org.